everybody, guess what? We're on our way to, Rosie?
New Hampshire!
Recently, our son Mike graduated from SNHU with his master's degree. Michael R. Payne. Of course, we wanted to be there, so we made the trip. Took about 12 hours and we went through 5 states, but eventually we pulled into the campground. After we had supper...
Are you enjoying your meals this evening? Is everything to your liking?
It's wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Do you have any comments for the cook?
I think the cook is awesome.
What?
And she's hot.
And she's hot?
She's hot.
What are we having tonight?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And meat sauce.
What do you think, Roz? Oh, 2 thumbs up.
Wow.
Okay. That is awesome.
You got spaghetti all over your arm. And a good night's rest, we set out to do some exploring. We started exploring in the campground where we found chickens, goats, and a horse. Of course, we had to stop at the playground, but then we were back in the truck in search of the beach. And darned if we didn't find one, about a half hour from the campground. It was beautiful. There were rocks and sand and shells, and just because it was brisk, because we were in New England in late April, didn't stop us from walking on the beach and picking up seashells.
What you find? Well, that's amazing.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
It's got the animal in it.
Yeah, it's still got the animal in it.
Cool.
It's dead.
Yeah.
It's gonna smell good.
Yeah, turn it over so you see. Yeah, look at that.
Isn't that pretty? Yeah. I wish that it didn't have,
Have
an
the animal
in
in
it.
it. Yeah.
Because that would be a neat shell to have. But it's going to smell really bad.
Yeah, you got to cook them out.
After a day or two. So
Yeah.
I'm going to set it back down here.
The water is draining back into the ocean, and it's basically as if the oceans have been drained, and you can actually see what a riptide looks like. If the you can see beneath the shallow ocean waves. You often hear about riptides. They get out of the water in the front, and they all rush out, and that's why people get pulled down to pulled away. All right, so this kind of shows what I was trying to illustrate with the pictures down on the beach of how a rip current acts, except with a rip current, everything is hidden beneath the calm sea. So what you find?
I found 3 pieces of glass. See?
Really?
Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3. Rosie's stealing this one, this little green one from me.
All right, sea
But
glass.
I get the brown one and I get the green one. Roz, show Pappy what you found. These are really What is it?
A hermit crab shell.
That's right, a hermit crab shell. Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
Such a tiny shell and such a big beach. You got good eyes.
What trip to the beach would be complete without ice cream? Hey, Roz, is this delicious?
What flavor did you get? Peppermint stick. That's awesome. I have chocolate and vanilla. And this is a small. And yours was a small. I tell you, if you stop by the beach bum, you get your money's worth.
From the short amount of time that we spent in New Hampshire, we discovered there was so much more to do if we'd only had more time. So, we will be back. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And for even more fun tales, please go to our website at www.thefunchasers.com.